Up nice and early this morning. We're here in Bowral, Southern Highlands. We are cruising through the pine forest looking for pine mushrooms, all slippery jacks. It's a perfect time of season to find these bad boys. And then we're gonna head to a mate's farm and we're gonna light a fire and we're gonna prepare a lamb on the spit. We're picking up a late edition Valerie to our road trip team, and then we're going to put on an epic lamb. Nailed it. Yeah, good, sweet. Shall we? We've just arrived at my buddy's property. This is our cook destination. First things first, we need to start a big fire and prep our lamb. We need to get it on nice and early. I mean, this location is just breathtaking. So what we're trying to do here is make basically a crucifix for our lamb to go on. So we have a large top one for the two legs. We have a middle bit for the belly and then another kind of bar at the end for the feet. And the idea is you basically truss the whole lamb flat and then cook it over the fire.
All right, fill me in what you're going to do with this.
All right, I reckon we start trussing and tying some rosemary directly onto the lamb.
Right.
I reckon. And then we'll give it a good rub with some olive oil. Loads of spices in the car as well. It's heavy. You got it? Yep. I think we did pretty good. So this will take at the very least 5 hours. It's a big lamb. And the reason I'm kind of slicing and scoring it is so that all our spices and our olive oil kind of really penetrate the meat, but it'll also speed up the cooking process. It'll allow the heat to get into the meat and hit that bone, releasing the bone marrow and rendering the fat. Get some more firewood on, keep this baby nice and hot, and then we'll grab some cast iron pans and we'll just literally cook up some veg in the beautiful lamb fat, some spices, some of those herbs, and then just sit back, watch the sunset. This is what a road trip's all about. Sand to snow, from Bondi to Bowral, 5 hour slow cooked lamb over coals. We've got a feast underway, a whole lamb to share between 5 of us. Yeah, that should cover it.
I reckon we'll do it.
And once we've finished this, we're gonna go back into the Infiniti and we're gonna drive all the way to Jindabyne. And hopefully in Jindabyne we'll find some trout, I don't know, pick up some cheese, some truffles from Canberra. Winter road trip, that's what it's all about. Yeah. Good food, long drives, cold weather, cooking over fire. That's got your name on it. See you next time.